So, hello English learners, hope you all are fine. And our today's topic is the value of honesty. Yes. So, every day we are just practicing about spoken English. We just pick up one topic and we are talking about that specific topic for 5 minutes, 8 minutes, or 10 minutes. Okay. So, this is called the extempore, which we are practicing the topic every day on a daily basis. Okay, so you are also going to practice, so you are going to get lots of benefits to just speak English fluently. Okay, so let's start our today's topic. So how we are going to start, like today's topic, the value of honesty. So you can read some articles. Yes, you can go on ChatGPT or on Google. So you have to read some articles like the value of honesty. So you are going to have the enough knowledge. So now you are able to speak at least 4 or 5 minutes. Okay. So let's start the value of honesty. So today I would like to speak about the value of honesty. So if I talk about the honesty, what do you mean and what do you understand by honesty? Honesty simply means you are speaking truth. Yes, if you are talking with someone or you are giving promise to someone, you are always saying the truth to the people. And if someone is there who is saying the truth to the people and he is fulfilling his words, so people are going to respect him. Yes, people are going to obey him. People are going to give the value of that person. So the value of honesty is very important in our life. If you are going to just be confident and you are helping people to just by your words, if you have said something, you are going to fulfill it, so people are going to trust on you. Yes, so this is called the honesty. Honesty means simply means you are fulfilling your words. If you are saying something, you are going to obey it, and you are not telling a lie, you are telling the truth always to the people. So this is the honesty. And what are the benefits we are going to get it from it? So let's take some benefits. Like first benefit, people are going to respect you. Yes, if someone is there and people know, like yes, this is a person who always speaks truth. So people are going to respect you. They are going to just you will get the respect in the society. This is the first benefit which you are going from the honesty. Let's talk about the second point. Second thing, like people are going to just give the importance in the society. Yes, if you are someone who is speaking the truth always, so people are going to just make a leader. Yes, this is a person who is our leader and we are going to obey him, because if he is promising with someone with something, he is going to just fulfill it. So people are going to just make you leader. So this is the second benefit. And the third and fourth, there are multiple benefits which you are going to get. Honesty, if you are an honest man, people are going to buy the product and services with you. Yes, so you can become a great and amazing businessman if you are going to just be an honest in the society and be honest in the with the people. People are going to obey, people are going to take the services and product from you. Why? Because if you are promising to just give something, you are 100% going to give, people are believing on you, so you are going to just build a business. And multiple benefits are there also. So let's talk what are the pros. Okay, we talk about the benefits, we talk about the things which we are going to get, and let's talk about the negative things. Like if you are not going to obey, for example, you are not honest, so people will think like this person is not an honest, we can't believe on his word, people are not going to listen you at least. Yes, because everyone knows like you are not a good person. You, if you are going to speak anything, you are going to lie. He is a liar. People say he is a liar, we can't just accept his word, we can't believe on him. So people are not going to respect you, people are not going to give you importance in the society. and you are not going to just build any product or services in the market, because no one is going to buy, because no one is believing on you. So you can't establish any business in the society. So there is a one quotation which is very important. Like there is a famous saying, like honesty is the best policy in English. Yes, honesty is the best policy. So the value of honesty is very important in our life. If we are going to be an honest, we will be the great and important person in the society. So now I hope you got some valuable information in this video, and thanks for today. We are going to meet tomorrow. Thank you.